Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is June 4th. Been a while since I've done an actual screen share video. You're looking at our new site, new domain now, quantlabsnet.com. And we got a new opt-in page. You can go in and I'm going to change this around. It'll be a 45-minute video on TradingView. Uh, just to give you a high level how things work with this really powerful software platform tool. Anyways, so somebody came in and asked about, can you do walk forward analysis on TradingView? And the answer is yes, somewhat. I'm going to show you how you can do it in various ways. And let's take a look. So the first thing you want to do is, where does the walk forward come from? This is from Bob Pardo, his book. In here, there is a chapter. It's one of the first books that talks about walk forward. So I thought I would put that together right here. And then take the most important walk of them all, walk forward test, to find out if your system is really worth trading. And that's from Larry Williams, author of Trading Stocks and Commodities with Insider. That's a big book as well. So that's where walk forward comes from. So let's start looking at this. And first things first is, when you look at what's available on walk forward, there's a couple of options you have here. So let's say you're looking at the likes of Bitcoin. Okay, as an example, you can use, how do I get out of this? One of the interesting uh, ideas I put on Bitcoin on TradingView today was, Bitcoin is bullish because of this right here. This right here, based around open interest, this is a weekly chart. You can see the title here: Bitcoin bullish surge supported by rising open interest. You can get more details here about open interest. You could say that about any contract. Now, the nice thing um, about Bitcoin, or sorry, TradingView, is that you get all of these different indicators, strategies for free, and there's over 100,000 of them, some with source code. And this one here, SAR channel 10 high low, is exactly um, on open interest here. So you can see here, open interest kind of does work. Jump there, a jump here, a jump there. And if it's too low, then it will go flat. So this appears to work. This is a weekly time frame, weekly time frame on Bitcoin. Another option that's very powerful, you'd be paying a lot of big money for this on other platforms, is actually, I'm using a combination here of two different indicators here. So the first one is this HCC. Essentially, it's a Hurst cycle strategy or indicator. Okay, so it's kind of a combination with a Bollinger, but what you really want to pay attention to are these. This is a separate indicator: Hurst diamond notification pivot lows. So you can see here again, we're using Euro USD. You'll see these number of diamonds. The more diamonds that are stacked up, the more chances that this is going to flip and reverse. So you can see here, this did work here on this point right up here. We got a nice upswing. Here we got another big set of diamonds as well, and there was a big upswing there. So those are two different indicators that you can use to figure out walk forward on forecasting. Now, if you were to try this on Motivwave, you'd spend their premium indicator into the thousands to use Motivwave, the trading platform. Here, it's free on TradingView. That's how powerful TradingView is. So when it comes to Bitcoin, again, everyone loves the Bitcoin and the like. You can see here that it does kind of work again. So you can see here we got a stack of diamonds, another big stack of diamonds, another big stack of diamonds, and boom. And depending upon the time frame, so let's say on a 4 hour, it's a very universal um, uh, indicator here. So here we've got just before the upswing, Bitcoin took a nice upswing. Same up here, not as steep. Same with here. And you can see what's happening right here is we've got a big upswing right here. And look what happened. So if you go down, let's say, and remember the other powerful thing here with Bitcoin is, or trading views, that you can go right down to the second, 1 second, 5 second, 10 seconds. So if I choose a 10 second, you can see here it won't be as effective, but it's still somewhat pretty accurate. Um, so yeah, pay attention to these indicators. These are really powerful indicators for walk forward analysis, I guess you could say, for both using this Hertz cycle, and especially this one right here, along with the other one that I've shown you as well, open interest in the futures market as well. That's very common as well. And you can also use implied volatility as another as well, which I'm not going to get into. You just look for that on your search engine. And that's about it. Again, we've got our new website here already running. Um, and as I said here, everything's all a go on this website. quantlabsnet.com is a new one. And if you go under learn, you get yourself a 45-minute video to learn about TradingView. More and more people are getting on TradingView all the time and really liking it. And I would encourage you to at least look at it. And if you're using it, take full advantage of it and just opt in here to learn more. Over and out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.